Hey guys, it's 𝗀𝗚cie with WTI. Have you ever been in need of an electrical outlet but you didn't have one handy, but you did have a light socket? Well then, this little adapter is just the thing that you need. So this adapter from ABORNI, it comes in a 2-pack. This allows you to use your light socket and essentially turn it into 2 outlets. So there is a 3-prong outlet on one side and a 2-prong on the other side. Very, very simple to use. You just take out your light bulb. You will place the adapter into the socket and screw it in, and then you replace the light bulb down here at the bottom. So it basically just makes this a little bit longer and adds the 2 outlets on the middle part. So this is a super handy thing to have on a back porch or somewhere outside, for example, where you have a light socket but you do not have a plug handy. This is the perfect solution. This is not for high wattage appliances, so be sure to check and see what your wattage output is. So this has a limit and you really want to make sure that you're going to use this safely. So once you know that you're using this safely, it's very simple to use. We've been really happy with the convenience and the portability, and it's also very affordable. And that's my point of view.